Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing a random game on Roblox with my sister. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just scrolling and click. Aria, do you think you want to play this or not? Missile Empire or not?
What is that?
I don't think you'll like it. Shark Bite.
What's shark?
I don't know, let's maybe. Invade the World. Do you want that?
How do you play though?
Or do you want to do one more time try? Random?
One more time, otherwise
Okay.
that.
Fish a slime.
Oh!
Let's try that. Anyway, guys, so we're gonna play Fish a Slime. Aria's gonna join me in a second, and we'll see who wins.
I need to just log into it.
Yep. What? Okay, join me.
Okay.
Fish a Slime. Okay. So I'm just gonna wait for you.
Excellent.
So I think we're gonna find index. Who could get the best slime in the game? Hopefully I get a Supreme, guys.
Again! I do not like those challenges.
Wait, guys, it says something that's free. Okay, don't tell Aria. Okay, Aria, is it ready?
No, it's still loading. Okay, there.
Okay, let's start.
Fat? I'm so fat.
I know.
I hate this. I
Crunch
do not
machine.
look
Jim. Wait, oh.
that fat at all.
Fish. Oops. Fish.
Fish.
Okay. Cast rod. Yeah.
You got.
Yeah, I know.
You're gonna catch
Whee!
Poor.
Boink. Oh, wow. Ooh.
Whoa.
Okay. 2 times luck. That's good. So 2 times luck, what will I get? 4 times luck. I bet next is 8, won't it? It has to, right? Epic slime already? Starter wave. What does that mean? Do I have to run from the wave? Or do we have to run from the waves?
Wait, what?
How do I get? Oh, phew.
Oh, I got this epic slime.
Nice.
What did you get?
I got an epic also.
Oh.
Magneto. Okay, hey guys. Okay, I'm muted. I'm gonna go open Claude and find some things. Fish a slime codes. Okay, guys. Fish a slime codes. While we wait for that, I'm gonna unmute. Hey, Aria. Hi. I wasn't doing anything, sus. What do you mean? I wasn't doing anything. Hang on. Buy that and that.
Go, do I place it here? Go.
Walk to the speed shop. Yeah, you just place it there.
Okay.
Walk to the speed shop. Upgrade your
What do I
speed.
do?
Only. Oh, I don't want. Okay, tutorial complete. I'm just gonna upgrade a bunch. Actually, I could barely upgrade. Let me collect some money. And let's see if my Claude's done. I don't see any fish. No, I don't want fish. I meant for fish a slime in Roblox. Oh, wow. There's a lot of fish codes if you guys need that. Okay, gym. Okay, while we wait for that chest fly. Okay. So now, time to get a new rod. Okay, ooh, I got a lot of money here. 3.2 traveler, okay. Rod shop and fish. Tap. Good. Okay, that's good. Oh, this is really far. Oh, I got into the next zone. Nice. What am I gonna get? Bonus. Oh, so it's like Wallace slime or slime RNG or something. Oh no. Beginner wave. This is bad. I'm so slow. I gotta upgrade my speed. Ah, it's coming. Get me up. Okay, cat slime. Wonder what my sister's up to. Let's go peek at her base. Whoa. Look at all that. Where's my sister? Is my sister online? She's still here. Where is my sister's base? Oh, that's it. Okay. Okay, so she just has that. Oh, it doesn't have any codes. Okay, she has to reconnect. Oh, I can't find any codes. Hey, can you move? I want to go into the crunch machine. Oh well. Got so much money. Okay, strength. Buy new gym equipment. Jack squat. Wait, chickpea slime? I need... Okay. Let me get more money. And then I'm gonna go upgrade my speed. There we go. Ooh, skins. Oh my, that'll cost a lot. Anyway, fish. Boom. Oh, that's so bad. I still made it to the second zone. Oh, never mind. I didn't. Ooh, okay. Blossom. That's kind of bad. I'm purposely not gonna get that for some reason. Okay, got hit by a wave. Fish. Boom. Perfect, yes! Okay. Let's go. Oh, wait, did I get to the green zone? No, or the next zone? Okay. Tusklet. Do you have the correct internet? Are you using a slow internet? Anyway, yes, we're going so fast. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Okay, we got it. Auto click costs so much. Okay, what's the best thing I have right now? Epic. I think Epic's better, right? Epic's the best. Okay, so I'm gonna upgrade this. Oh yeah, no peeking. I gotta get more luck. How do I get more luck? Oh, yeah, there's this. Oh man, I just skipped so much there. Moonlight. Okay, let's go. Perfect! Yes. Okay, so more luck.
Oh,
Yeah?
I was holding a slime, then it suddenly disappeared.
Oh. Chickpea.
No.
Run! Okay, next event's in 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, there we go.
Yeah, this is a bad one.
Ooh, I'm getting so much per second. Okay, so 6 mil, I'm gonna get more strength. Oh, wait, no. Gotta work out. Hack squat. Okay. Rebirth. Resets your fishing strength. Wait. My strength? So, wait. Does it reset everything else, though? I might rebirth later. I'm just gonna rod. Fish are great only. Okay. Hopefully I get to the green thing up there. Yes. Okay. Okay, what are we gonna get? Cat and Frozen. Common wave. Oh no. This might be bad. I think it's catching up. No, never mind. I'm going faster than it. Yay. We got it. Cat slime. Frozen. Wow. I make 3.39 billion per day offline. Okay, I'm gonna think it doesn't reset my money. I'm rebirth 1. Jack squat. Oh yeah, okay. Did it take some of my speed? Okay.
Oh,
I
got another slime, and guess what?
What? There we go, rebirth again. Huh. Is it in your inventory? Okay, this one might take a while. I'm just gonna get this.
What's inventory?
Inventory is like your backpack. Ooh, there's a legendary. Okay. Let's see. Enter code. I don't even know how to get a code. Wait, there's a wheel.
It is in my backpack, but guess what?
What?
I can't get it.
Just pretend I can't. Wait. I don't want to open my backpack. Oh my. Okay. So, fish. Cost. Amazing. That's good. Okay, let's go. Green. 3.4. Okay. What am I gonna get? 8 times luck. That's so good. Speedy. Nice. That's good. That's good.
This is the worst.
It's an epic. It's an epic. Speedy should have a lot of speed, right? Huh. Connect to, wait. I don't know. Let me see. I don't know how you're liking.
Look.
Oh, yeah, because you already put that.
No, I didn't. Look.
You gotta go to shop, that's what I think. Because it's in shop.
No,
like there's something free in shop.
It happened 2 times.
I didn't know that. I don't know. Anyway, I make so much money.
How am I going to play this thing?
I don't know. I want a legendary. What should I get? Ooh, plot skins. Oh, I can't afford it. Fuse. Ooh, what's this? Okay.
I'm not sure if I like this game.
Then you don't have to play. I'll play by myself. And definitely win. Side lateral. Okay. Okay, that's quite a good amount of money. Rod shop. 916. Oh, I need 3 rebirths for that. Okay. Okay, speed. Hang on, I'm gonna go get my money fast. Okay. Okay, there we go. Speed. Time to upgrade it. Do that. Do that. Okay, I should be quite fast now. And fish. Ooh, an event's coming soon. Wonder what that is. Okay, what am I gonna get this time? 2 times luck? That's okay, not as good as 8 times or 16 times. I just saw that. Thunder. Okay, let's go. Okay, I got it. I don't want to carry my base actually. Gonna get stronger. Oh, oops. I'm not gonna rebirth yet since there's some event going on. Ooh, 2 times. Okay, that should be good. And fish. Cast. Great. Okay, we're going there. Ooh, oh, almost in the next zone. Frog. Okay. Why is this? Why is that lava? Run. Okay. I need more luck. Where's the luck thing? Oh yeah, this, but I can't. Okay, so I might have to rebirth. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm next rebirth. Hopefully okay. Gonna get 100,000 and then start fishing. That might take a while. You know what? This is okay for now. I just gotta claim some money. Okay, then now we go to rod shop. Then buy the new rods that I got. 110 dragon spar. Okay. Okay, side lateral. Might just get up to 40k maybe. Okay. Almost there. Done. Now, fish. Great. Okay. Next zone, please. Yes! Ooh. Lightning. Uncommon wave. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's catching up. Oh my god. I might have to upgrade my speed soon. Okay. I might put this one down. This is okay. Okay. Great speed. This one, then this one. Then claim some more money, and then I'm gonna get a better gym equipment. Okay, there we go. And then, no, not this one. Okay, buy new gym equipment. Wait, 2 billion. I can't afford that. Fish. Oh, if I get a perfect, I'll get some good stuff, I think. Okay, there we go. Okay, what are we getting? Another dog lightning? You can't catch me now, wave. Might not put this one down. Fish. Amazing. Is that better? I think it's great. Okay, so size. Oh. Millionaire. Is that good? I mean, if you're a millionaire, that's good. But is this a good thing? How much does it give? Oh, no more vent. Okay, how much? Okay, so it's an epic. Not my best. Seems okay though. Wow. Okay. Oh, I'm trying to make it 1 mil per second. Okay. I'm gonna upgrade my speed, I think. Okay, almost there. And time to train. Okay, I'm gonna train for a while, so I might just go ahead and pause the video and unpause when I'm done. See you. Okay, I left it running for like a few minutes and I've got quite a lot of money. Okay, perfect, nice. Okay, let's go. Okay, 2 times left. Oh, bad. Rare wave. Oh no, this is bad. Okay. Swimming. Is it almost? Oh, okay. At least I'm fast enough for now. Fish. Boom, perfect again. Nice. Okay, this is going good. Oh, did I? Wait. I mean this. Oh, wait, yeah. Octopus. That's okay. Oh my, it's getting kind of close. Run. Run. Okay, fish again. Okay, amazing. Hopefully I get luck. I really want luck. Magneto again. This isn't too good, but I guess it's okay for now. Swim. Okay, it's not really here. Yes, Magneto slime. I'll put this in. Oh wait, I forgot I could upgrade my base. I'll just do that. Then go upstairs. Then okay, then Magneto goes here. Then yeah, I'll do that for now. Fish. Great. Okay. Okay. 4.9% left. It's okay. Oh, that's good. I'll let this one hit me. Got hit by a wave. Wait. Should I train a bit? I'll train. Time to pause. Okay, I trained quite a bit. And now I think I could fish. Perfect. Nice. Okay. Hopefully I get to the next zone. No. Kind of close. Okay. Wait, just now was there Toon slime? Oh, yeah. Spike. Okay. Wait, why is that wave white? Oh no. It's called a spiky slime. Okay, I'll go put this upstairs. Oh my, that's a big slime. Time to fish. This game is very repetitive. Hopefully I get a really good slime soon. If I get a legendary, then I get to finish the video. Speedy. Okay. Mr. Blue joined me. Okay. Oh no, I'm slowing down. No, don't slow down. Okay. Speedy. Don't really want that. Perfect. Okay, please let me get a legendary. Give me a legendary. Ooh, please give me a jackpot then. Spiky. I'll let this one hit me. Give me that spiky. I want a legendary soon. Give me one. Give me a legendary. Boom. Great. Oh, it's not that good. Okay. Okay, please legendary. Please legendary. Please. Or mythic. No, I don't want to be. Got hit by a wave. It's okay. Let me just sell. Don't really want all of them. Okay, amazing. I really want a legendary soon. As soon as I get a legendary, I can off the video or finish up. Okay, legendary. 8 times luck. That's okay. 6, 7. What? Okay, that's okay. I guess I can do like this. Okay, I really need to get a legendary. I should get a better road, I think. No, but I can't. Okay. Just gonna train a bit. To 200,000. I'm almost there. Oh, okay. Of course I'm up. Okay. Please give me a legendary this time. Size. Okay, this is okay. If I get a big one. What? I don't want this. No. I don't want a tiny one. Oh no, I just did a pull. Imagine I get a legendary in this. Okay. This is getting kind of boring. Okay, one more try. If I don't get a legendary, I'm quitting. Either way, I'm quitting. Okay, and then maybe I'll spin just once. Okay. Okay. Legendary. Size, okay. Guess that's fine. This is okay. Oh, these look much faster since it's small. Okay, and then after this I guess I'll spin. If I can. No. Okay, looks like I can't spin. Anyway, see you guys. Bye.